Okay, today is February 5th, 2025. I'll be going over the short I took on NQ to the unfilled 1 hour. So, great day for inversions, right? Earlier in the AM session, it was a great long day data high, so it helped me pass some eval accounts. Coming into the PM, right before lunch, we swept previous day's high, so I was expecting some form of retracement, right? We swept previous day's high just before lunch. Lunch reaccumulated, so I'm expecting a retracement into fill this very big imbalance we had on the higher time frame. So we ended up getting this 1 minute fair value gap. We started to build up lower resistance liquidity, which is something you need to be cautious of, right? Because we can just generate and generate and generate before we go and make the move to sweep the lower resistance liquidity we're building up here. But I told myself as long as we can get great displacement below this internal low, then we should be all good. So I'm looking at this 1 minute fair value gap to get inverted. We displaced through it super nicely, obviously too far. So I took the retest, so it gave me a 1-1. We got filled right here. Kind of hard to see, but right on this candle. Stops at the bodies and held to the unfilled 1 hour. Which ended up securing me another two payouts on Apex here. And right after that, right, what do we have? Right, a bunch of low resistance liquidity that we can come up and go grab. So right after that, filling the unfilled 1 hour. Now we have a higher time frame delivery. This 1 hour bullish for value gap, and not a lot of displacement after filling the 1 hour bullish for value gap. Just an instant V-shape inversion we get here on this 3 minute. Let me mark this out. We do get a 3 minute inversion right here. And this was a 3 minute inversion to all this lower resistance liquidity, and then back to buy side. This ends up being a TP1 break even, right? Sweep all that LR, and then we come back down, breaking us even. So this ends up being a TP1, as you can see, and then you hold the rest to buy side here, but it ends up just breaking you even, which I did alert. That's good. Unfilled 1 hour.